Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time zone card. First, let's prepare. You'll want a sturdy piece of cardstock, a ruler, and some colorful pens. Think about the main cities or regions whose times you frequently need to know. This card will be a fantastic tool for keeping track of global schedules, making your international communications much smoother and more efficient. To create an effective time zone card, it's helpful to understand the basics. Our planet is divided into 24 primary time zones, each spanning about 15 degrees of longitude. Greenwich Mean Time, often called GMT, is the universal standard, marking the 0-degree meridian. Remember that some regions adjust their clocks for daylight saving time, typically moving them forward by 1 hour. Now, let's build your card. Start by drawing a simple grid on your cardstock. Create a column for each time zone you're tracking. Label each column with the city or region and its time difference from your location, like New York 5 hours. Then, mark your current time and calculate the corresponding times for all other zones. This visual aid will be incredibly helpful. To make your time zone card even more useful, consider some customization. Try using different colored pens to highlight specific time zones or recurring meeting times. Adding a small, hand-drawn clock icon next to each city can provide a quick visual cue. For maximum durability, especially if you plan to use it often, laminating your card is an excellent idea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.